Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so you may be thinkering, that's a new one. Thinkering, is that a word? Thinkering. Hang on. Thinkering. No, it's not a word. Fortnite Season 8, that's out, isn't it? That's really good, isn't it? Is it good? No. Shit. Don't get it, don't bother. I got the free one, I got the free Battle Pass. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. It's not worth worrying about. r/trashy. Reddit/trashy, mate. Great. It's amazing. It really is, honestly. Look at that. 3 powerful women. No, they're not powerful. That is a flag that should never be shown. And they've got guns as well. Look at them. Look at that leg. Mate, it's like, you know, what happens to whales when they come on the beach? They go into that woman's leg. That's how her leg's so fat. Jesus Christ. She's got quite a big leg as well. Fuck me, but then that's that arm right there. Fucking massive. Chill out. You know what I mean? Chill out. Fucking hell. We've got a car. Oh, he's going across. Mate! Oh no! 19-year-old. Bro, he was a 19-year-old. Knobhead. He's a knobhead. Wait, is that him? Is that him flying out the car? That's him, innit? That's got to be him flying out the car, innit? Imagine, you're driving along, right? No, I can't believe it. Can't believe it. Some people, right, they're just nuts. Look at him. He is the hardest kid you've ever seen in your life. Look, doctors said my mum might have cancer. What? Idiot. Such an idiot. Look at him. Oh, I'm going to flex my abs, mate. Well, you're not the only one with abs, because, look. No, I'm not going to show you. Not today. That's for another time. Alright, here we go. Football fans destroy local man's bar whilst away watching tea. Bro, is that him? Bro, he looks so upset. He's just gone to strangle that guy, but I cannot understand why. Do you know what I mean? I can understand why he's gone to strangle him, because they've just been kicked the shit out of his bar. They've ruined it. Mum enters Starbucks, but leaves baby outside. Shut your mouth. What happens to the baby? What happens then? He's just sitting there rocking. Sitting outside her. Oh, I don't know what language. Oh shit. Mate, he's going down the... Lucky. So lucky, mate. Bro, that guy, absolute lifesaver. Okay, we'll watch a couple more. And then that'll be it. Because obviously I've got to go to bed. Beddy buys soon. Okay, this patch of grass outside my apartment building. Bruh, that is so many cigarettes. That person definitely has lung cancer. Maybe this is the new fashion. Bruh, look at his nips, man. His nips are fully out. Car full of trash. Abusing drive-through worker. Mate, what the fuck? They just chucked like... Bruh, that person is like slaving away. Do you know what I mean? He's like, currently he's working his arse off to get money. Maybe even to pay for his house, right? And he's just got fucked by them 2 fucking idiots. Old lady spits in an elevator. Dirty. Absolutely grim. She is... oh. What's she doing? You know what she's doing? You know... I know exactly what she's doing. You know... Right. Have you ever, right, spat on the street? Well, like this lady, she spat on the wall of an elevator, right? Well, if you spit, some of the spit may get round your mouth because you might spit it wrong and it might go and stick to your mouth, come back, you know what I mean? And she's wiping the spit off her... That's what she's doing right now. She's clearly wiping the spit off of her mouth. Look, she's like, oh, it's disgusting. Look. Well, I think that's where we're going to end it because that was dirty. Just spat in an elevator. Who does that then? Obviously her. Thanks for watching. I can do another one of these if you really want. It's just like a random video, you know. I don't know what I'm going to call it. I'm going to say random lady spits in an elevator, I think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment down below. Press that bell notification button. It's all down in the description. Go check it out. My name is Josh Robinson, and you know what I'm going to say. Hey!